Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by working on a padded surface and keeping parts organized in a tray. Use a spring bar tool to compress the bar toward the strap notch. You want controlled pressure, not force. Once the bar clears the lug hole, lift the strap out gently to avoid bending the spring bar. If the bar resists, rotate the tool slightly and try again, because small angle changes release tension better. Make sure you keep the bar orientation noted for reassembly. You now inspect the lug width and compare it to your replacement strap and bars. Mismatched width causes gaps or strain. Once done, check each spring bar for straightness and firm tension by compressing it with tweezers. Weak bars must be replaced. Fit the strap into position with one bar end seated, then compress the opposite end and guide it into the lug hole. Take your time so the bar seats squarely. A crooked bar will pop out under wear. You finish by pressing the spring bar fully into the lug until you feel or hear a click, then gently wiggle the strap to confirm both ends are seated. Once done, fasten the clasp and cycle it several times to ensure smooth operation and correct alignment. If the strap rubs or sits unevenly, recheck bar length and lug notches for debris. Troubleshooting tip: if the bar keeps popping out, replace it with a slightly thicker, correctly sized spring bar and clean the notch before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.